Hi there, welcome back to my YouTube channel Home Design. I hope you will be fine and my good wishes always with you. In this video, you can see that different amazing ideas for your dye storage basket. How can you create a dye storage basket that both functional and stylish? How can you customize this basket to fit your personal style? And how can you use this basket to organize your home, office and workspace also? And how can you use these basket to create a more sustainable home? All these things are discussed about the very spacious times and the different touches, the different discuss about the different amazing benefit of a storage basket and the types of storage baskets and the creative storage ideas. You can see that and discuss about in this video. Please keep watching till end and share if you like, and please subscribe my channel. Yeah, you can see that different style of basket you can organize the different things of your home. First of all, discuss about the benefit of a storage basket. That's this benefits of using a storage baskets in your home. You can use the different amazing ideas. Storage baskets are versatile. You can use any rooms of your home. You can use in your kitchen, and you can use the different stylish styles for your clothing storage. And you can also use the as a decoration pieces. You can see that the decoration pieces you can keep in a different amazing and the front place of your home. Amazing things, you can see that. And you can also use for your planting, and different planter are also used for this amazing basket. These baskets you can easily make and in home, and the clothes and different books and fruit and vegetables and other things you can organize in this basket. The different storage baskets amazing, the woven baskets made of natural materials like seagrass, rattan and the bamboos is also used material for making this type of basket. Very baskets made of metals and the mesh. The different colorful baskets for keeping your clothes and the different laundry you can also manage in these baskets. The plastic baskets made of the durable materials, amazing used, and the creative storage ideas easily manage if you like. And you can made different storage baskets and different amazing woven basket for your blanket and the pillow in your living rooms. And you can use a fabric basket to store the towels in your bathrooms, and different cups and other things you can easily manage. And it's the masterpieces of your decoration pieces you as used in your home. Use the plastic baskets to store the toys, games in your kids' rooms also used, and the different other things, bathrooms, accessories you can easily manage in this basket. Here are some benefits of using a storage basket in your home. It's a dye-friendly storage basket are perfect for a dye enthusiasts who want to create their own handmade craft. You can easily customize them with the paint, fabric and other materials to match your home decors. Big thing in a small space is easily managed. Storage basket are a great way to store the big items in a small space. They come in a variety of a size and the shapes, making it easy to find the perfect fit your home. Yeah, you can use as a decoration pieces for your decors of home. Storage baskets, these type of baskets you can be used as a decorative and the accents in your home. They came in a variety of colors and materials, so you can easily find one that matches your home decors. Yeah, you can easily decorate your room also. Storage baskets. These types of storage baskets are used to add a touch of elegance and the functionality to any room in your home. They can be used to store the anything from the blankets and the pillows and the towels and cloth also. The wicker baskets and the roll baskets are the two popular types of storage baskets that are available in the market. The wicker baskets are made from the natural materials such as willows, bamboos, and the rattans. They are lightweight, durable, and eco-friendly also. Wicker baskets come in a variety of shapes and sizes and are perfect for storing items such as the clothing, toys, and the book also. The raw baskets are made from a material such as dust and cloth. They are often used for storing items such as toys, magazines, and the blanket. Raw baskets are also eco-friendly and sustainable. They are often handcrafted by